Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15 SFQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15 SFQ won't turn on, this can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to a short circuit on the motherboard or a failing power supply. If left unresolved, it could lead to more significant damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply or motherboard component if necessary. Begin by ensuring that your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully place the HP 15 SFQ upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam of the back cover and carefully pry it open. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will now have access to the internal components. Locate the power supply connector and check for any visible signs of damage or burnt components. If you find any, this is likely the cause of the issue. To replace it, carefully disconnect the cables and remember the orientation they were connected in. When removing the faulty component, take care not to damage any surrounding parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty component is removed, take your new part and connect it in the same orientation as the old one. Ensure that the connections are secure to avoid future issues. After replacing the component, carefully reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Finally, reconnect your device to the power source and attempt to turn it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You fixed your HP 15 SFQ. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure your device is regularly maintained and avoid overloading it with excessive tasks. Make sure to keep it clean and store it in a safe, dry environment. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.